Hello, this is Erika Selexero. So in this particular video, I'm going to show you how to edit photos like this. You can see my photo inserted in 3 different fonts. So it looks like very wonderful. So the question is how to create this an amazing picture, how to edit this amazing picture in CapCut. So that is the question. So to do that, first of all, you have to go to your CapCut. So this is my CapCut. Okay, open. All right, so back again. So go to CapCut. So let me open CapCut. Okay, click and CapCut. Yes, this is my CapCut. Okay. Yes, CapCut is already open here. So look at this. So it's empty now. So the question is how to bring those photos first of all. So import that photos. So to download, and I want to bring this, and again I want to bring this image. So the 3 background images are already selected in here. You can see what is that. So I have to bring here. Okay, so again I have to bring my photo. So I have to go down and I need to bring this one. So bring to that. And the first thing is how to insert this photo on this screen. So to do that, you have to bring your photo and overlay over it. Then you have to remove background. So here at the top left corner, you remove BG background. So you can use 2 options, auto removal and chrome key. So for my case, let me use this auto removal. You can see now the background is already changed. So let me fix the position for my photo. Yes, so look at, let me maximize. Yeah, it seems to be a little bit good. So what's next? I have to bring the second layer, the second background. So by the way, you can download those images from Google as well as from Pinterest. So you can download any kind of background screen, or which is transparent screen, from mostly from Pinterest and rarely from Google. So yeah, you can use Pinterest as well as Google. If you're interested, I will put the description of both the Pinterest and the Google websites on my description. Okay, so I have brought that one, and I have to remove this background first. So remove background. Look at, then a little bit cut this size. Look at your, yes, it's very simple. By the way, follow this step and you became sharp. By the way, it's very simple. Okay, so what's next? I have to bring my photo again. Look at here. Okay, so again it's oversized, so I have to remove the background again. Yeah, auto background. So look at, so here I have to cut out the photo size. Yeah, so I need to cut up to this. Yes, I have to cut to here, then confirm. So it's over the size, so let me reduce the size and bring to here a little bit. Yes, now it seems like good. You can see from here. Okay, all right, so again let me go to the third one. So bring this background. Yes, sorry, bring this background, then change the location for this background. Okay, so again remove this exceeded side. So let me cut. All right, so again I have to bring my photo over it. Overlay, by the way, it's very simple. Simply you have to bring, drag and drop, then remove the background. So this is actually, yes, you can see now. So this is the way how we can make a photo in a very beautiful one. So the last step is how to generate this in image form. Still now there is no any other platform, especially in Windows type of CapCut. So what is expected from you is you have to screenshot. So for my case, let me control window plus cut, window plus cut. From my DOS desktop shortcut, I have made it, have done it. So go to image on my file. So look at on the image pictures, so screenshot. So let me show you now. So this one, look at here. Look at here. So it's very beautiful, very attractive. So you can use in such a way. So this is all about what I have for you today. If you are new for this community, I'm begging you subscribe my YouTube channel. That is very important for me. Thank you for doing that. God bless you. Bye bye.